Hi everyone, welcome to programming school. Today also I come up with one program and I'm going to explain the question and I'm going to write then I'm going to write the code here. Okay. First of all, one cybersecurity company wants to make a crypto string in which they just want to convert character like A with Z, B with Y, C with X and so on. For more details, see the below table. It means A I am going to replace with Z, B is going to be with Y, C is going to be with X. Like that I am going to write like this. Z with replace with B and like this. The constraints, what is that? String cannot have any special character, space, number or any uppercase character. That means only the lowercase characters. Okay, only the lowercase characters. Okay, example, for example, if it is going to be a knowledge, if it is going to be a knowledge, the output is going to be like this. For K I am going to take here P, for N I am going to take M, for O I am going to take L, and for W it is going to be D, for L it is going to be O, for E it is going to be V, for D it is going to be W, for G it is going to be T, for E it is going to be V. Like that I am going to replace all the strings. I think the question is clear. I think everyone just pause the video here and try to write the code for this. Okay. Now I am going to write the code for this one. First of all, there is only one input, that is going to be a string. That is going to be a string here. I am going to write for S is equal to input of. I am going to read the string here. Now I am going to take two more strings also. I can write in some different ways, but I am going to write in one way here. I am going to take one string, that is all the characters I am going to take. I am going to write all the characters here, and I am going to take S2 is equal to S1 colon -1. That means it is going to be, if I am going to execute it, S1 is this one and S2 is equal to the reverse of the characters. Okay, in the same way, for example, if I want to give, for example, S is equal to ABC, S is equal to ABC, I am going to find A is at this position, right? A is at this position. Now I am going to find what is the position of A? The position of A is going to be 0. Then I am going to take this position here, this value with the position. For example, I am going for K. What is the K position in S1? Some position, right? Exactly the same position I am going to take in S2 here. The simple way. Now I am going to write a loop for I in S, and before that I am going to make some output string, and I am going to take some output string as a list here. If any character I am going to append it to that string here. Okay, now I am going to write a loop on a string here, and then I am going to find what is the index value, or the what is the value here. S2 of S1 dot index of I. What is, for example, here I am going to find what is the index of I in S1. Now I am going to find what is the character in S2. I am going to make here, for example, I am going to print K here. For example, if it is going to be A B C D, just observe here these values, right? These values, for example, if I execute here some P Q A like this, for P it is going to be K, for Q it is going to be J, for A it is going to be Z. Like this I am going to write, but here I am not going to print the value, just simply I am going to make a string here, some out dot append of K. Here I am going to append to the list here, and after coming out I am going to print a string, not any a character or not any list here, just simply I am going to print it as a string here. For that, join of out, I am going to write like this. What is the input? The input is knowledge, right? The input is knowledge. I'm going to execute it. Yes, just observe here. Yes, it's working, right? Yes, it's working. For example, the input is going to be cast. Just observe the same output, right? In this way, I'm going to find the output of the encrypted string like this. If you have any doubt on this video, for example, this line, just comment it. Definitely, I will make a video on that and I'm going to post on the YouTube. If you like this video, please share to your friends. And that's it for this video. Thank you, guys.